Quartile. Now what is quartile in it? Say is the other name for the, say when I say median, which is half, quartile is 1/4. What is it? 1/4. When I say median, it is half. This is for median. And this is for quartile. Quartile means quartile. It comes from the word quarter. Fine. So when they ask you to find the quartile, then you have to find 1/4. Now if you have a line here, if I draw a line, say 1 meter, fine. What is 1/4? If you divide into 4 equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4. Divide it into 4 equal parts, and the first part here is called first quartile. This is the first quartile. This is the first 1/4. This is the second 1/4, right? We can say this is the first 1/4, and the second 1/4 is this one, which is 2 times 1/4. So if I say first 1/4 is basically 1/4 only, right? And 2/4 will be what? This is second 1/4, means 2 upon 4. This is third 1/4, and this is the fourth 1/4. This is called as first quartile, or also called as lower quartile. This Q3 is called upper quartile, right? And this is called median here. This is called median. So they are not different or alien thing. It's the same concept that we have as about for median. Here is for quartile. Quartile here 1/4. If the number of terms that we have arranged, it is even number of terms, that will be n upon 4th term. If it is odd number of terms, n plus 1 upon 4th term. We know that. Same goes for here. This is, see, this is 1/4 is first quartile, you can see, and the third quartile is 3 upon 4. So if it is third quartile is even number 3n upon 4, and 4 if it is odd number 3n plus 1th term upon 4. So remember the formula here, that is it. Then comes interquartile range. What is interquartile range? The difference between the third quartile and the first quartile is called interquartile range. Obviously the third will be more than the first one. Okay, clear? Now we have a question based on it. Let's do this. Find the quartile, upper quartile, lower quartile, upper quartile, interquartile range for the data. The first thing we have to do, as we do in median, arrange this in ascending order. 9, 11, 15. So first write the smallest number, which is 7. Then comes here. After that is 9. So write here 9. Fine. Then comes here 9 or 11. So write 11. Okay. Then comes here 13. So write 13. Then comes here 15. So write 15 here. Then comes 17. So write 17 here. And then comes 19. That is 19 here. Once we have put it in ascending order, count how many are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 is an odd number. So what will that be? It will be, so we have to use n plus 1 divided by 4, not by 2. So this is the first quartile. I'm talking about quartile 1. Okay, so let's write it here. Quartile 1, or we can say quartile 1, we can write like this. Quartile 1 is equal to n plus 1, this is odd number, by 4. So if you put the value here, n plus 1 upon 2. So what is that? That will be equal to, you can write it here. What is n? N is 7 plus 1 upon 4, which is equal to 8 upon 4, which is 2. Second term is the first quartile. Quartile first is second term. And what is the second term in it? We find the second term is, this is the first term, this is the second term. So quartile 1 is 9. We'll just keep it here. Then we'll go to the next question in it. What is the next question? That is, we have to find the third upper quartile. That is third quartile. We have to find Q3. Q3 means third quartile. Okay, come on. Third quartile. So that is equal to 3 upon 4 times n plus 1. Why? Because it's odd number. So how much will that be? 3, n is how much? 7 plus 1 upon 4. So 3 into 8 upon 4. So which is that? So third is sixth term. And which is the sixth term? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So this is equal to quartile 3 is 17th in it. And this is the answer for the second question. We got the first answer, we got the second answer. They are asking the interquartile range. So we can say here interquartile range is equal to Q3 minus Q1. And what is Q3? Q3 is 17. Q1 is what? 9. So it will be 8. Interquartile range is 8, and that is